Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this TM G36K NGRS. This one, absolutely lovely gun. So we're now going to be testing. We've installed on it a gate ASTER MOSFET. So these don't have the bolt stop detection on these particular models. So we highly recommend the gate ASTER because obviously it's the easiest of installations with the least amount of setup. It's got the Prometheus Tightbore barrel, Prometheus hot rubber, Prometheus flat nub, and EagleSix upgrade spring, which equates to a level 3 build with a gate MOSFET for increased trigger response. We've tested it 341 on 0.2s and 246 with the hop set on 3.2s at distance. So obviously we're just ready to just demonstrate it working now. I think they're 50 round mags, they go through pretty quick. The new Pro will do 120 round mags that obviously last a lot longer and also fit this. It just accepts normal G36 mags. Some would see that as a plus. I would have personally preferred, custom mags with custom bolt stop system on it, and I hope that TM revisit that one day. Obviously, now that the MP5's out, I definitely think we could do with a new G36 with the same technology that's on the MP5. But obviously, this one's already out, and obviously there's lots of other guns to make. I don't think that'll be necessarily high on TM's priority list, yeah, we can but hope one day, can't we? So until then, obviously this is the TM NGRS, and we hope you enjoy it, and any problems let us know, but otherwise have fun. Thank you.